Welcome back for Reading with Aunty. Today we'll read Ruby Rainy Day by Rosemary Wells. Rats wants to play baseball, but it's rainy, so with Ruby help I go his way boots, sticker, and hat. See what happens when he finds our dress. This funny story helps teach colors. Let's begin. Ruby Rainy Day by Rosemary Wells. Sure, I can get the book cover. Baseball, say Mass. No baseball, say Mass, Sister Ruby. It's raining. If you want to go outside, you need to wear your boots. So Ruby put a mask, red boots, and her blue boots. So who's wearing red and who's wearing blue? Can you tell me? Baseball, say Rats. Not yet, say Ruby. You need a sticker. I guess it's a raincoat. So Ruby put a mask, yellow sticker, and her own green sticker. Who's wearing blue, yellow, and green? Baseball, say Mask. Hats first, Mask. Ruby put on last orange hat and her own pink hat. So who's wearing orange and who's wearing pink? Out we go, say Ruby. We put a blur. You're all ready to go. Have fun, huh? Baseball, say Max. It gets all that with hurry. We like to let's be nice and light and sunny for the day. Hope you have fun reading with Aunty. And learn all about the colors of Ruby Rainy Day. Till next time, have a great day.